name is Jaden. My roll number is 13. My fort's name is Pratapgarh Fort. It was built by Shivaji. In 1656. It was controlled by the Marathas in 1656 till 1818. Then the East India Company took it over. They ruled it till 1818 till 1857. Pratapgarh Fort is mainly known for the Battle of Pratapgarh. This battle was fought between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Afzal Khan. Afzal Khan had a lot of troops, but then again Shivaji had a less of them. Afzal Khan had elephants, horses, lots of men, but either Shivaji had a less men. For example, he had horses, archers, and swordmen. This was a dangerous battle. It couldn't be won, but through the bravery of Shivaji Maharaj, he won this victory and kept the fort safe in his control. But then even they had lost a lot of men. 5,000 men died of Afzal Khan, and either more than that died of Shivaji Maharaj. But in the end, they won it. This is my video, and my assignment is complete. Thank you.
I am studying in 7th E. My roll number is 10. Today I am going to talk about the Golconda Fort. It was built by Kataya dynasty and was completed by Qutub Shahi dynasty. It was built in 13th century. It is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Qutub Shahi dynasty built this fort to defend the western part of their kingdom. It is built on the granite at the top of the granite hill by the 17th century. Golconda Fort is famous for diamond market. It gives the world most diamonds like Kohinoor. Golconda Fort is also known as Golconda, Telangana's Shepherd Hill. It is forfeited recently that the architecture of the Golconda Fort is now losing its charm influence. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Abhiyali Sian, studying in St. Mary's High School SSE Standard 7th A and roll number 55. I would like to share some brief information about Golconda Fort from medieval India. The fort was built by Kakatiya dynasty in the 13th century, 1143 in Bagnagar, which is presently known as Hyderabad. The Kakatiya dynasty built the Golconda Fort to defend the western part of their kingdom, and it was built on a granite hill. Golconda Fort was originally also known as Mankal and surrounded by massive battlements. The fort of Golconda is known for its magical acoustic system. In 1686, the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb attacked the Golconda Fort with an intention to siege Hyderabad, but the fortress was invulnerable. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Gaurang Mahendra Sawant from 7th A, roll number 46. My school name is St. Mary High School SSC. My fort name is Pratapgarh Fort. Pratapgarh is located close to the famous hill station Mahabaleshwar in Satara district of Maharashtra. The construction of fort was started in 1654, which was completed in 1656. It took 2 years to construct the fort because of its difficult location, Nira and the Kanya rivers, and to defend the Parpas. The Maratha King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ordered his Prime Minister Morpan Trimbak Pingle to construct the Pratapgarh Fort. The fort is famous in history because of the historic battle of Pratapgarh. The battle took place between the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Afzal Khan. The commander of Bijapur, Sultan Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj showed his mastery over a huge army of Afzal Khan and killed him.
Good morning everyone. I am Sheikh Samir Sohail, and I am studying in standard 7th A, and my roll number is 50, and I am talking about Red Fort. The Red Fort is a great historical monument in Delhi, India. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It is located in New Delhi, in the center of the city. It is located at the west bank of the river Yamuna. It is built in 13th May 1638. The walls of the Red Fort is 30 meters high. It is beautifully designed by inside and also outside. It is very famous all over the world. Thank you.
My name is Sarah Suresh Kokate. I am studying in 7th A, St. Mary's High School. My roll number is 27, and today I am going to talk to you about the Chittor Fort. The fort was in the medieval period. In the 8th century, Bappa Rao has made this fort, but some people says that it was gifted in the dowry in the from the Solam's queen in the dowry system. The fort there are Vijay Stambha was established by Manak Mumbal, and second is the Kirti Stambha. Kirti Stambha was established by the Dini Jain trader. There is also a Rani Padmavati palace. When that Mughal Emperor Khilji wants Rani Padmavati, so there was a battle between the Rajput and the Mughals. So the Rajput lose the battle, but the Rani Padmavati jumped in the fire, and then the Mughal Emperor destroyed the fort. There is also a Kalika temple, the temple of Devi Kali. There is also Mirabai temple, who was the devotee of Krishna. Nobody knows that who made this temple, but one theory is this, that Bhim made this temple. Thank you.
My name is Kavya Manya. I am in class 7th A. My roll number is 30. There were many forts in medieval period, but I choose the fort Kangara. The Kangara fort was built in 4th century. The Kangara fort was built by Rajput family. They were of Kangara state, the Kotaj dynasty. It was built at the time of Mahabharata. It is now located in the Himachal Pradesh. It is the pyramid of Himachal Pradesh. It was built by granite stones and lime mortar. The Simla was the summer headquarters of the independence of British Viceroys. The state is now the state capital. There are many Jain temples at the top of Kangara Fort. The Kangara Fort is now handled by the government of Himachal Pradesh. The Kangara Fort picture is this.
My name is Shahid Shoaib Sedia. I study in class 7th A. My roll number is 47. My presentation is on Golconda Fort to Miss Mezabin. It was built by Kakaya dynasty. It was completed to Qutub Shahi dynasty. It was built in 13th century. It is located at Hyderabad and Kalingat. The Qutub Shahi country built his fort to defeat the western past of the dynasty. Golconda is famous as Diamond Market. It gives the world diamonds like Kohinoor. Thank you.
My name is Sai Sachin Patil from 7th A, roll number 30. My school name is St. Mary's High School, SSC. My topic is Sindhudurga Fort. The Sindhudurga Fort built in 1664. The fort was built by Hiroji Indarkar. The fort was built for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The massive walls were designed to survive deter approaching enemies and to the waves that types of the Arabian Sea. Many entrance is constructed in such a way that no one can penetrate it from outside. It is main objective adds the country to the range effects of the merchant colonies, English, French, and Portuguese merchants, and the crepes of the land. The cities of Janjira. Sindhudurga Fort is the only fort in Konkan that have the real footprints of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Sindhudurga Fort is the historical fort that opens of the islets in the Arabian Sea, just off the coast of the Maharashtra in the western India. It is protected by sea from all the sides. It is built in such a way that it cannot be seen by enemy easily coming from the Arabian Sea. Thank you.
Teachers and students, my name is Master Ayush Singh. I study in class 7A, roll number 59, St. Mary's High School, SSC. Today we will learn about the Purandar Fort. Purandar Fort is located at Pune, Maharashtra. Purandar Fort was built in 1350 CE. Historical records mention that Purandar belongs to the 11th century Yadava dynasty. The Persians defeated Yadavas and built the fort. Then Shivaji Maharaj raided and conquered the fort. The fort was built by Shivaji Maharaj again for the rising of Shivaji Maharaj against Adil Shah and his Sultanate. The Purandar Fort influences us as it is a good fort, nice surroundings, nice structure and nice climate, nature, waterfalls, and the statue is also there of the Kiledar Murabaji Deshpande on the fort. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ayush Kali. I am studying in 7A. My roll number is 19. Today I am talking you about Kondana Fort. See, this is the picture of Kondana Fort. Kondana Fort was built by the sage Kaundinya before 2000 years ago. It is located in Pune district. It was built to provide natural protection due to its very steep slopes. There are two gates to enter the fort, the Kalyan Darwaja and the Pune Darwaja. It was seized by Muhammad bin Tughlaq from Koli king Nagnaik in 1328 AD. Shivaji Maharaj gave 23 forts to Mughal. Between these 23 forts, Kundana was being there. Shivaji Maharaj wanted to recapture this fort, so he sent his friend and the great Subedar Tanaji Malusare and his brother Suryaji Malusare. On 4th March 1670 at night, there were only 500 Maulas and he easily captured the fort. But unfortunately, he was killed by Udeban, the Kiledar of Kundana fort. But he was also killed and the Kundana was recaptured by Marathas. When Maharaj heard the news of the death of Tanaji, he said the famous quote, Gadala Pasiya Gela. After Tanaji's death, the Kondana fort was renamed as Siyagad in the memory of Tanaji. Thank you.
My name is Ari Barbani, class 7th A, roll number 3, and I study in St. Mary's High School, SSC. My topic is Mehrangarh Fort. Mehrangarh Fort, located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, is one of the largest forts in India. It is believed to have been built around 1460 by Rao Jodha, the chief of the Rathore clan. The fort is situated 410 feet above the city and is enclosed by imposing thick walls. Inside its boundaries, there are several palaces known for their intricate carvings and expansive courtyards. That includes the Moti Mahal, Phool Mahal, Shisha Mahal, Saila Khana and Daulat Khana. A winding road leads to and from the city below the imprints of the impacts of cannonballs fired by attacking armies of Jaipur can be seen on the second gate. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Faiz Khan. I am studying in St. Mary's High School SSC section, Mazgaon, Mumbai. I am studying in 7th A. My roll number is 21. My topic is Sindhudurg Fort. Sindhudurg Fort is a historical fort that occupies an islet in the Arabian Sea. On the shore of Malvan town of Sindhudurg district in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. The fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in 17th century of the Maratha Empire. The main objective was to counter the rising influence of English, Dutch, French and Portuguese merchants to curb the rise of Siddhis of Janjira. The fort, massive walls were designed to serve as a deterrent to approaching enemies and to the waves and tides of the Arabian Sea. The main entrance is designed in such a way that no one can pinpoint it from outside. The construction on an island represents the revolution mindset of its engineer. Thank you.
My name is Mohsen and my roll number is 24. So today I'll be talking about Red Fort. The original name of Red Fort is Lal Kala, also spelled as Lal Kila or Lal Kila, but we know it by the name the Red Fort. In the 17th century, Lal Kila was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in Delhi. The exact date when the construction started was at 13th May 1638 and ended at 6th of April 1648. He built this historic fort after he shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi. I'm sure you'll want to know what is the history of Lal Kila. So in 1638, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan moved the capital of his empire from Agra to a newly constructed city in Delhi. That is called Shahjahanabad. Along with the construction of this new city, he laid the foundation of his palace. The Red Fort has a lot of history. So the Lal Kila was the site where the British put the last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah II, on trial before the exiling him to Yangon in 1858. It was also designated as the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. The Red Fort complex was built as the Palace Fort of Shahjahanabad, the new capital of the 5th Mughal Emperor of India, Shah Jahan, was brought to a whole new level of refinement. You must be thinking, what is the location of Red Fort? I know that all of you know it. So, the location of the Lal Kila is located in Old Delhi, India. Thank you.
Kashif Shikalwar. I am studying in class 7th A, roll number 52, in St. Mary's High School, SSC. I am going to talk about the Mehrangarh Fort. It is located in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. It is one of the largest forts in India, built in the year 1459 by Rao Jodha, the chief of the Rathore clan. It is situated 410 feet above the city and is enclosed by imposing thick walls. Inside its boundaries, there are several places which are known for the beautiful carvings and huge courtyards. There are 7 gates, which include Jaipal, meaning Victory Gate, built by Maharaja Man Singh to mark the victories of Jaipur and Bikaner's armies. There is a museum in the fort which is one of the most well-stocked museum in Rajasthan. The museum exhibits the heritage of the Rathors in arms paintings.
I am Ashabdil Balsaraba. My roll number is 6. I am studying in 7th A. My school name is St. Mary's High School SSC. I am talking about Chittorgarh Fort. It is a large fort in India and Asia. It was built in 7th century AD by Chitranj, a king of Maurya rule. Bappa Rawal, the founder of Maurya dynasty, made Chittorgarh his capital. The fort has been techniques, the time of victory, peace and prosperity, and his withstood the path of defeat. The destruct Vijayastambha, or a tower of victory, is one of the most notable structure of Chittor fort. It was built by Maharana Kutumba the memorize his temper over Muhammad Khilji in the 15th century. At present, it is the biggest tourist attraction. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Aram Khan from St. Mary's High School SSC 7A, roll number 23. I am going to talk about Red Fort. Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned construction of the Red Fort on 12th May 1638. When he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi, its design is credited to architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori. It was completed on 6th April 1648. The fort's place was a focal point of the medieval city of Shahjahanabad, which is present-day Old Delhi. On 15 August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the Lahore Gate. It was designed a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007 as part of the Red Fort complex. Thank you for listening.
Hello friends, my name is Sarthak Sanjay Kaur. My roll number is 26 and I am studying in 7th A. I am doing a history project. So let's start it. The name of the fort is Raigad. Raigad is located in Konkan region in Mahad near Sahyadri Ghat. The Raigad fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the architecture called Hiroji Indulkar. The main palace was constructed by wood, stones, etc. The height of the Raigad fort is 1356 meters, which means 4400 feet. There are exactly 1737 steps to climb to reach at the top of the Raigad fort. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj renovated the Rehri fort and renamed as Raigad fort. It also called King's Fort and it became the capital of Maratha Empire. There are many places in the Raigad like Bazarpet, Hathikana, Barkana, Mahadarwaja, Darugoda and etc. If you would like to go, you can take many information. Thank you for watching the video.
Ganesh Pundrik. My roll number is 41. I am in class 7th A. My topic is Marur Janjira Fort. Janjira Fort was built during the end of the 17th century. It is located in the Raigad district of the state of Maharashtra and is surrounded by the Arabian Sea from all the sides. Janjira Fort was built by Malik Ambar, who was minister in the court of the Sultan of Ahmednagar. Malik Ambar built this fort to live peacefully away from pirates and enemies. Murud Janjira is an island fort. This fort took 22 years to build. The fort is about 40 feet high. The Murud Janjira fort remained uncontested till it became part of Indian territory in 1947. Janjira is one of the most beautiful forts in India. The fort is built on an oval-shaped rock. It is considered to be India's strongest marine fort. I visited Marur Janjira Fort last December 2019. I like this fort so much. Thank you. This is some pictures of Marur Janjira Fort. Thank you.
Hello Miss, I, Aryan Umesh Mukta, studying in Standard 7th. My roll number is 35. My school name is St. Mary's High School SSC. There are several forts in Maharashtra, but one fort that I like the most is the Torna Fort. The fort was built in 15th century AD. The fort was built for the kings who ruled and who could see down the fort and identify enemy coming to the fort. And precautionary measures can be taken before any enemy attack. The fort was built by Shaivites. Shaivites are the people who were worshipped and who were the great devotees of Lord Shiva. The fort was built for Adil Shah of Bijapur. Later, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured this fort in the age of 16 and was known as the first fort that was captured by Shivaji Maharaj in the year 1664. And one thing that influences me a lot, that Shivaji Maharaj captured this fort in the age of 16 in the year 1664. And also it influences me that it is surrounded by dense forest and Torna plant. Most of the people visit there for trekking with their friends and with their family for experiencing the beautiful nature. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Soham Aradhe and my class is 7th A and my school name is St. Mary's High School SSC. And my topic is Sinhagad. The Sinhagad fort was known as Kondhana after the sage Kondaniya. The Kondineshwar temple coupled with the caves and carving indicate that the fort has probably been built around 2000 years ago. It was seized by Muhammad bin Taghlaq from Koli king Nag Nayak in 1328 AD. The Sinhagad Lions Fort was strategically built to provide natural protections due to its very steep slopes. The wall and the bastions were constructed only at the key places. The fort was also strategically located at the center of string of other Maratha Empire forts such as Rajgarh, Purandar and Torna Fort. Some parts of the fort are in ruins, but most of it is in pretty good shape. Apart from the memorial to Tanaji Manusere and the tomb of Rajaram Chhatrapati, there are other structures in its fort, including the military stables, a brewery and temple to goddess Kali. In the late medieval time and after Sinhagad fort reverberated to the hoops of Maratha cavalry. Today the fort helps to train soldiers in more modern ways. Even as the cadets from National Defence Academy at Khadawasa nearby trek and the train here in full battle gear. Thank you everyone.
Good morning. My name is Shantanu Sandesh Wagnari. I am in class 7th. My roll number is 62 and I am studying in St. Mary's High School SSC. I am telling you about the Fort Murud Janjira. It was built in 16th century medieval period. Rajaram Rao Patil was the Patil of Janjira Island and chief of police, who established and built this fort in the 16th century for police to live peacefully away from the pirates. After gaining permission from the Sultan of Ahmednagar Sultanate, he built the fort but later refused to obey the orders of the Sultan. The fort was built by Rajaram Rao Patil. It was built for the police to live peacefully away from pirates. It influences us today historically because the fort itself is a miracle, as it houses 2 freshwater lakes and wonder of metallurgy and architecture. Thank you.
My name is Rajesh More and I am studying in class 7th A. My roll number is 33 and my school name is St. Mary's High School. Today I am sharing some information about Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort is one of the oldest fort of India. It is located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. It is built by Kakatiya's dynasty. It was built in 1143. The Kakatiya's dynasty built the Golconda Fort to defend the western part of the kingdom. The Golconda Fort owes much of its presence grandeur to Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah because of the Because of the vicinity of diamond mines, especially Kolur mines, Golconda flourished as a trade center of large diamonds known as Golconda diamonds. Lastly, the fort of Golconda, known for its magical acoustic system. It influences us as it carries the Indian culture from generations to generations. Thank you.
My name is Sahil Santosh Dorukar. I am from St. Mary High School SSC. I am from class 7 and my division is A and my roll number is 11. Today is my topic about the Bhangarh Fort. Before I talk about the Bhangarh Fort, I should tell you that what are the forts. The forts were used for the military defensive areas in the past period. The fort was built in 17th century in the state of Rajasthan of India. It was built by Bhagwan Das for his younger son Madhav Singh. The Bhangarh Fort lies around the Bhangarh village at the foot of the Aravalli Hills at the Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary. The Bhangarh Fort always falls in the haunted list in the India and the world. ASI, the Architectural Survey of India, has been prohibited the entry of the tourists to this fort before sunrise and after sunset. Because some of the tourists has admitted that they have experienced some paranormal activities in the fort. Hence, the Government of India has been declared the Bhangarh Fort as the haunted place ever in the world. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ayan Badam from St. Mary High School. I am studying in class 7A and my roll number is 34. I am talking about Golconda Fort. It is built in Hyderabad and it is built in 1143 under the Kakadiya dynasty. It is built to defend the western part of the kingdom and then it is given to Bahmani rulers. It is an epitome of Nawabi culture and there are many interesting stories behind it, and it is famous as diamond market. The world's some of best diamond including Kohinoor has come from them. It is considered as one of the outstanding fort. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Atharva Samir Kamble. I am studying at St. Mary's High School, Standard 7, Division A, roll number 20. Today I am going to introduce you about the Fort Janjira. The Janjira Fort was built during 16th century. Raja Ramarao Patil was Patil of Janjira Fort and Chief of Police, who built this fort for the Polish to live peacefully away from the pirates. The Janjira Fort was a wooden fort built by the fishing community chieftains to get rid of attacks from enemies and pirates. The Janjira Fort was a famous historical tourist place. It is located in the city of Murud in the Raigad district of Maharashtra. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shobin Kunasekaran from class 7th, roll number 15 from St. Mary's High School, SST. The fort I am going to talk about is Chittorgarh Fort. Chittorgarh Fort was constructed by Chitrangad Mori in the 7th century AD. Later, Bappa Rawat, founder of Mewar dynasty, made Chittorgarh his capital. It was built by Maharana Kumbha to memorialize his triumph over Muhammad Khilji in the 15th century. Chittorgarh Fort is famous for the jawhar that Rani Padmini and Rani Karnavati underwent during siege. The fort has seen a lot of valiant battles. Today it influences us historically how Rani Padmini, when the fort was captured, she and her companions committed jawhar, thereby defeating Khilji's aim and protecting their pride and honor. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Omkar Narkhandekar from class 7A, roll number 25, and I have selected the topic on Janjira Fort in the medieval period of India.
of a famous fort and a tourist place is situated on an island just off the coastal city of Murud in the Raigad district of Maharashtra, India. Murud Janjira Fort is situated on an oval-shaped rock of the Arabian Sea coast near the port city of Murud. It was built by Malik Ambar. It was built in 17th century. It was built in Murud. There are 500 cannons under the fort of Janjira. It is the strongest marine fort of India. It is the coastal village of Murud because first the village name was Murud. Then Malik Ambar built a nice Janjira fort and strongest fort. Then the name was Murud Janjira Fort. Murud Janjira Fort, and it is located in Alibag in Maharashtra because in the middle the Janjira Fort is there and outside the water of sea. Thank you. I hope that you have liked my video very much. Thank you.
My name is Rudra Yogesh Parmar. I am studying in class 7A. My roll number is 37. My school name is St. Mary's High School SSC. Today I am going to talk about Surat Fort. It is also known as Old Fort. This is picture Surat Fort. It is located in Surat State, Gujarat. It is built in 16th century. It was built by the Gujarat Sultanate on the basis of Firoz Khan Tughlaq of Delhi Sultanate. The main purpose of this fort was to safeguard against the Portuguese. Now it is one of the most popular historical monuments in the city. Thank you.
My name is Sudhakar Shirsagar. I study in St. Mary High School SSC Standard 7 Division A, roll number 53. Topic is Shivneri Fort. Shivneri is one of the strongest fort in Maharashtra. It is located near Junnar in Pune district, Maharashtra. It is the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born at the fort on 19 February 1630 and spent his childhood there. Inside the fort is a small temple of the goddess Shivani Devi, after whom Shivaji was named. Shivneri Fort was built by Shahaji Raje, Shivaji's father, to secure their son and wife Jijamata against the invader and natural calamities.
Teacher and my friends, my name is Sai Redkar from 7th A. My roll number is 44 and my school name is St. Mary's High School SSC. Now I am showing you the picture of the Janjira Fort. This is the picture of the Janjira Fort. Now I am sharing you the information of the Janjira Fort. Janjira Fort is located at Alibag. Janjira Fort is one of its kind in the whole India. This amazing structure was built by Malik Ambar, who was an ambitious minister in the court of the Sultan of Ahmednagar. Janjira Fort was built during the end of the 17th century and till date withstood the test of time.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sheikh Ali Asghar. I am studying in 7th A and my school name is St. Mary's High School SSC. My roll number is 48. share a little information about the medieval period fort, and I have chosen a fort, the Red Fort, Agra. The Red Fort was built by Akbar, the most famous Mughal rulers of all time. Akbar was a very famous emperor because he respected all regions, and his love story with his Hindu wife Jodha is memorable. The fort was originally built by Akbar's grandfather Babur, but it was left in a ruined condition. During Akbar's reign, he renovated the monument into what we see today. The fort served the dual functions of military power and as a private place for the royal family. The fort was built in 17th century. Thank you.
My name is Parth Samisrodkar. I am studying in 7th A. My roll number is 54. Today I am going to tell you about the Vijayadurga Fort at Sindhudurga at Kokmahal. Vijayadurga Fort was built at 1193 by Raja Bhoj II in the Shelar dynasty by using stones and mortar. Shivaji Maharaj captured this fort from the Mughal Emperor Adil Shah of Bijapur in the year 1653. The reason because the fort is built to defend on the shoreline on the Arabian Sea. The fort is complex in itself, having a commander's house and 3-line defense in the sea. The fort is 800 years old. After the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Maharaj, there had an historical battle on the sea between the Peshwas and the Britons in the year 1567. A recent oceanographic survey has recorded the extension of the underwater wall located at the depth of 8 to 10 meters under the sea, made up of laterite. This wall is an unbelievable 122 meters long, built so that the enemy ship approaching to the fort will collide with the wall and sink. Thank you.
Board.
Hi, myself Bhavya Goyal, 7th A. My roll number is 14. I am in St. Mary's High School SSC. I am going to speak about medieval period fort of India, Sindhudurg Fort. Sindhudurg Fort is located at Malwan town, Sindhudurg district, Konkan region in Maharashtra, 500 kilometers south of Mumbai. It occupies 48 acres area. It was built in 16th century 1664 by Shivaji Maharaj. It was under the command of the Marathas Empire. The fort was constructed for the purpose of providing protection against the rising influence of the English, Dutch, French, Portuguese merchants and Siddhis of Zanjira. Sindhudurg Fort has a real footprint of Shivaji Maharaj. Its massive walls standing tall against the crashing waves of Arabian Sea. The main entrance of fort is hidden that no one can identify it from outside. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Veetan Deepak Chauhan and I am from St. Mary's High School SSC and I am studying in class 7 and my roll number is 7. Today I am going to talk about the Chittorgarh Fort. The Chittorgarh Fort was built in the 7th century by Chitrangul Maurya. Chitrangul Maurya was from the Maurya dynasty. Chittorgarh Fort is the capital of Mewar and it is also called the Chittor. And it is situated in the present day town. Way back in the 7th century AD, Bappa Rahul, the founder of Mewar dynasty, made Chittorgarh Fort his capital. The Chittorgarh Fort is also the capital of Sisodia and the Galot king who ruled on Mewar. He ruled between the 8th and the 16th century, and the Chittor Chittor Fort was named after Chittorgarh Maurya. Thank you.
My name is Kavish Rao. I am studying in standard 7th A. My roll number is 43.
I am going to give information about the Kondana Fort due to this PPT. Kondana Fort, also known as a Lion's Fort. The Siaghad Fort was initially known as a Kondana. After the siege of Kundania, the Kundaneshwar temple, coupled with the caves and carvings, indicates that the forts had probably been built around 2000 years ago. The Siaghad Lion's Fort was strategically built to provide natural protection due to its very steep slopes. The walls and bastions were constructed only at the key places. There are two gates to enter the fort, the Kalyan Darwaza and Pune Darwaza, which are positioned at the southeast and northeast ends respectively. In 1670, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj reconquered the fort for the third time through his Subedar Tanaji Malasure in the Battle of Siaghad, and the fort came instead under the Maratha rule till 1689 AD. Thank you for seeing my video.
I am Master Ishan Mohini of class 7th A and my roll number is 12. I am studying in St. Mary's High School SSC Board. Today I am talking about the Raigad Fort. The Raigad Fort is a hill situated fort in Raigad district of Maharashtra, India. The Raigad Fort was built by Chandraraoji More. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj made the Raigad Fort as the capital of the Marathas kingdom in 1674. The architecture of the Raigad Fort was Hiroji Indulkar. The fort is 820 meters above from the sea level and it is located in the Sahyadri Mountains range. There are approximately 1737 steps leading to the fort. The fort was looted and destroyed by the British in 18th century. Thank you.
My name is Atharva Shashank Pedamkar. I am studying in class 7A and my roll number is 14 and my school's name is St. Mary High School SSC and my fort's name is Kondana Fort. Kondana Fort is also known as the Lion's Fort. The fort was built around 2000 years ago. The fort was built by the Koli king Naganayak. The fort has steep slope which protects from its enemies. The fort was reconquered by Subedar Tanaji Malusure, who fought against Mughal Sardar Devan Singh Rathod. The fort has two gates, one Kalyan and second Pune Darwaza. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was very upset when he heard about Tanaji's death. He expressed with his words, "Gad ala pan Siha gela." From that point, the fort was renamed Siaghad. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Velan Sandeepa Duzal. My class is 7A. My roll number is 5. My school name is St. Mary's High School. The topic for today is the Red Fort. See the picture of the Red Fort. The Red Fort is also known as a Lal Killa. The process for making the Red Fort was going from 12 May 1639. It took 8 years, 10 months and 25 days for making this fort. The height of the fort is 30 meters long. The reason for making this fort was to survey it is a place for the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It is famous for its red stone which it is built and it is one of the magnificent places in the world. Thank you.
Fort in the city of Agra in India. It was the main residence of dynasty in 1630. fort was described as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is about 2.5 kilometers northwest of its more famous sister monument, the Taj Mahal. The fort can be more accurately described as the walled city.
Good morning everyone, I am Noam Sheikh from St. Mary's SSC studying in class 7th A, roll number 49. Today I am going to talk about Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort, also known as Golconda, is a fortified citadel and is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. The Golconda Fort was erected in the year 1143 under the Kakatiya dynasty. However, it raised prominence when it came under the rule of Qutub Shahi dynasty during the 16th century. Sultan Kuili Qutubul Mulk sent a governor of Telangana, established it as a seat of the government around 1501. Bahmani rule gradually weakened and Sultan Kuili formally became independent in 1538. Establishing the Qutub Shahi dynasty based in Golconda, it was built to defend the western part of their kingdom. It is famous for its diamond industry. Its old and beautiful architecture influenced the modern age. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Path Pradeep Avari, roll number 4, studying in class 7th A in St. Mary's High School. Today I am telling you about the Pratapgarh Fort. So this is Pratapgarh Fort. Pratapgarh Fort is a mountain fort built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The fort is at a distance of 24 km from the hill station of Mahabhareshwar. The fort holds a sturdy view of coastal Konkan. The Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj commissioned Moropan Trimbak Pingre, his prime minister, to undertake the construction of this fort in order to defend the banks of the Nira and the Konya rivers and to defend the Parpas. It was completed in 1656 in 17th century. The Battle of Pratapgarh was a land battle fought on 10th November 1659 at the fort of Pratapgarh near the town of Satara in Maharashtra between the forces of the Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and the Adilshahi general Afzal Khan. The Marathas defeated the Adilshahi forces despite of being outnumbered. Pratapgarh is usually visited as a day trip from the hill station of Mahabhareshwar, a popular tourist destination. Bus service have run daily excursion services to places around Mahabhareshwar, including Pratapgarh, for decades. Many schools also arrange educational trips to the fort. The fort is also on many trekking routes of the area. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
I am studying in 7th. My roll number is 28. Topic is Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort is one of the most popular attractions in Hyderabad. The giant citadel has been original in 12th century. It was rebuilt in the 16th century. Various Qutub Shahi rulers. The lands around Golconda Fort were known for the diamond rat, and it was produced some of the most executive diamond in the world. The monument of the finest example of clever architecture, the Golconda Fort is famous for